What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we have one of our SnackCrate videos, and if you have not been on this channel before, basically what happens is we have a nice little subscription SnackCrate box from SnackCrate. We don't know what country it's from or anything like that, but we basically break it open and we try it out. We let you guys know if they basically have good candy or not, or good snacks, I should say. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I just want to say a very quick rest in peace to our friend Jimmy. Because he's not here with us today, and supposedly he's not coming back. If you see him in the chat below, just know that that's not really Jimmy, that's his ghost. So just ignore him, don't worry about it. But yeah, we miss our friend Jimmy. Amy's busy with her work schedule, so she couldn't make it today, unfortunately. But basically what we do is we sit here in one of our car show, or car truck in this case, and we basically open these snacks up and we try them out. Now today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, so I'm going to leave a little annotation at the bottom of this video of the time it's going to start, but we're basically going to be doing a fun speed run of SnackCrate. So usually these videos last about 30 minutes because we tried everything, we test out, tell you guys every little thing you need to know. This time we're gonna see if we can make it quick for you, that way you don't waste too much time and you get some entertainment out of it. So we're gonna try this out.
Speed run!
You think it's gonna happen? You think we can do it?
If you don't talk a lot.
Alright. Oh, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. We just hit over 500 subscribers on the channel, so thank you guys so very much for being with us.
Loki here.
For being with us at this time. And don't forget that we have our very first baby on the way. How many weeks are you now?
Almost 17.
So 17 weeks. My wife is pregnant, so we'll try to keep the videos popping out, and when the baby gets here, hopefully they'll turn to a car guy too and want to do videos with us, but we'll see how that goes.
You can't say car guy, we don't even know if it's a boy or a girl yet.
we're gonna go with that. Anyway, so speed run SnackCrate video. I've never seen this done on YouTube, but we're gonna get that done. So we're gonna try to mow through this as fast as possible. So if we go too fast, I apologize, but enjoy the content while you have it. So
ready?
Let's start off with this. Let's break that open.
Well, guess what country? I'm gonna say Jamaica. Quick guess, quick guess. Hurry before I open.
Puerto Rico.
It is Ireland. We were both way off. All right.
Ireland. All right. So it's about to be the green time of year. What's that time of year called?
St. Patrick's Day.
Yep. All right. So
Green
first we have pickled onion flavored potato meanies. Okay, so I've got that. You go ahead and bust open your side. Sorry for all the noise, headphone users, but we're gonna wrap it up with that.
I have cheddar and onion flavored chips.
So pickled onion flavor, basically looks like that. See that? You want it? Yep. You like it? Is it good? It smells gross. It's terrible. I love the taste.
You can taste the pickling.
Oh, I hate pickled anything. This is gross. The fail. I don't like that one.
Cheddar and onion.
Cheddar onion. That sounds pretty good. Let's go. You want to show it in the bag?
Those are good. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I don't like that. It's so hard.
Scampi and lemon flavored snack.
I'll give these an okay. Alright, so now I've got Skip's light and melty prawn cocktail. Check it out. That's awesome. It looks like every other bag. Yeah. What is this? I don't know.
That's actually good. It doesn't taste lemony
It looks
at all.
like a pizza roll.
It doesn't taste lemony at all.
I don't know how I feel about that. What would you say?
I think it's good.
That's alright. Yep, we'll go with that. These look like little flowers. It's cool. You want to try it? Here, shove it in there. Yeah. So Skip prawn cocktail.
That's fishy. And it's like...
It does melt in your mouth, but it's kind of gross.
It's got a weird texture.
So I'm going to say, no, I don't like that. Sorry, Ireland.
These are raspberry and milk flavored squishies.
Good thing we don't have Jimmy here anymore. Don't have to worry about peanut allergies and killing him.
Rest in peace, Jimmy.
Rest in pieces, pepperoni. Oh, I forgot to say, these are reveals. I'm revealing the fact that they're like milk duds.
Okay, good. These aren't too hard.
These are literally milk duds. What is this?
Raspberry and milk squishy.
Milk. Why you want milk? Look at that
It
crap.
tastes like cream. Those are good.
I'm gonna say yes on the milk duds. I'm keeping those.
Open something.
This
This is chewy.
Chewy. Let's go for extreme sour apple chewies, which you can't have because you got braces.
Depending on how chewy it is. This was a chewy and it was hot.
I don't like the raspberry and the milky one.
I do. Alright, I'm having the milk dud looking one.
It looks like an hour later.
It is just like a milk dud. It's good. This is just a sandwich snack. And it's chocolate.
Ow.
What's that?
So this box has been in the refrigerator for a week now. It's basically an hour later, and it broke apart in my mouth.
Is it too hard for me?
But it tastes really good.
Too hard for me?
No, not at all.
No. Try this. Don't open that yet. Try the sandwich snack bar.
There's so much.
The sandwich snack bar is good. It just tastes like a wafery chocolate bar, almost like a Kit Kat.
It's hard as a rock though. I'm gonna give that an okay. Woo!
This is rock hard. How is that not too hard for me to have a braces?
Trust me, when you bite into it, it'll break in like glass in your mouth. But anyway,
In your mouth.
we've got another one. Extremely sour Tutti Frutti Chews.
Ow, that
Let's
hurt.
go. That hurt. Blur it out, editor.
It
That's
tastes good.
me, but blur that out.
It tastes good. It's
All right.
too chewy.
Sour Tutti Frutti an hour later, basically. All right, let's go. Ireland, you're not doing too bad. I think you're like 50 and 50 right now. I don't know.
Look, they gave us one of the miniature snack bars. It's the same thing. It's just miniature, so I'm not
Cool.
going to open that.
Oh my God, the Tutti Frutti one is disgusting.
A chocolate Kimberly. Kimberly, like the name. What is that?
Sour Tutti Frutti Chew. This thing is gross. Don't get it. I will not recommend.
All over the seat. Oh, that's weird. It's
I
not
want,
bad, but it's weird.
I want to fit it in there because it's terrible.
Put it in the bag.
That's right, we got one.
Quit putting trash in the box. Put it in the bag.
Ah. All right,
At least it's weird.
how are we on time? Comments, let me know.
Give me your thing. You're opening stuff and not sharing.
No, all stuff you tried already. That stuff's gross. Don't do it. That's another hard one.
Oh.
It's like a moon pie thing, but it's worse, so I don't recommend it.
Star Bar.
Ugh.
It's got peanuts, so depending on how peanutty it is, I might not be able to eat it.
This is Oatfield's glucose barley, whatever that is. It looks like one of those like hard candies that your grandma
Like
gets.
Werther's Original. This is the Star Bar. I forgot to show you before I opened.
It's basically an orange candy. We're getting this truck so dirty. Car show season's coming up, and we're not gonna be ready for it.
That's good. It's almost like a
A lot
big group.
of peanuts in it.
Here's the thing you just tried.
Babe, this you can't have.
No, the thing you just tried.
It was
The
a
last thing
little
you
thing.
tried.
The little thing.
Thank
yeah,
you.
that thing.
That's the last thing after you try that.
Ow. Don't have two things in your mouth at the same time. That's what she said. Yeah, Star Bar's pretty good if you like peanuts. If you're like Jimmy though, rest in peace. You can't use it.
I'm gonna try the glucose barley candy he tried a minute ago. Speedrunning was a bad idea with braces.
Ah. Speed runs are never a bad idea, ever. Alright, so we basically got a basic generic Orange Club soda with real bits of orange in it apparently, because that's what it says in there.
This tastes like medicine.
It's just orange.
It tastes like medicine. No, the glucose barley.
It's orange.
Tastes like medicine.
It's like if your orange juice in the morning was carbonated. Pretty much. Yep. I'll go with that. What do you think?
Oh, that's good.
That's good? You like that? Alright, cool. So, I hope you liked this speed run. It was very fast. We had a bunch of fun. Hopefully next time we'll have...
Why are you yelling?
Hope we'll have a bunch of friends with us next time to try it out. So, rest in peace, Jimmy. We love you. We missed you. And, yeah, all that good stuff. So, if you're in the area, if you want to be a part of this one day, maybe we'll get a big crowd going. I don't know. That all depends on you guys if you want it. But, anyway, that's pretty much it for this snack crate. It was Ireland. I have to say about half of it was decent. Half of it was not very good.
Most of it was good.
But that's about it. So, Ireland, you did good. We appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you did enjoy too. If you want to see more speed runs or see any kind of other challenges with these snack crates, because I want to kind of spice them up a little bit, leave them down in the comments. And don't forget, always remember to stay sinister. Peace out, everybody.
Perfect.